yeah, prime time. I gotta really start kicking ass on this thing. I want this thing back together this weekend. Last weekend I actually lost a lot of time because I was at the Indy 500 hanging out there. Really cool event. I couldn't believe how big it was. It was my first time. But anyways, now it's back to business. Need to get this car on the road because I'm missing out on really good weather. Yeah, so now we're in my spray booth that I built for my shop. I got a light out. Oh, I got a light out. Oh well. Everything's taped up, ready to roll. I went a little overkill with my tape job here. See, I got my rolled edges on my body lines. I don't want any hard lines. You get a hard line in a job, good luck sanding it out and not being able to see it when it's shiny. So usually, you know, when you have this many different materials on here exposed, you know, the best thing to do is put a polyester sprayable body filler on here. But I don't have time for that. I gotta get this car on the road by the weekend. So I'm gonna chance it. I have used and abused the urethane primer that I'm gonna be putting on here, which it's a U-Paul primer that I get from Amazon. I get most of my stuff from Amazon, doing stuff at home. This is the cheapest. And I'm pretty confident that I'm going to be okay. So it's not a show car. It's not going to be under crazy lights. I kind of just cruise around with this thing at the moment. So that's going to work. So let's go mix this up and get on with this.
Perfect.
I did my first coat. As you can see, the primer has a little bit of texture in it. That's because I like to spray with like a lower pressure. I don't like blowing over spray all over the place. It uses less material, you know, so I always keep my pressure kind of low. I'm going to sand this anyway. It's easier to sand a smoother surface, but it's just a bumper, it's just a fender. I'm going to block it down anyway. This is what it looks like, first coat. There we go, we got the second coat on there. A little bit of texture in it, but it's okay as long as it's filling this. Made sure I got my edge really good. That's really important. Alright. The primer step is done. Probably gonna go edit this real quick and throw it up online just to keep the videos flowing. So anyways, that's how you prime over, you know, a surface like that you just repaired. I did 3 coats. I just kind of hammered it on kind of thick, I'm gonna let it sit a day, and then I'm gonna prep it out for paint. So, but anyways, hey, like I said, man, if you guys like what you see, you know, hit that subscribe button. Every week I'm putting out content from here on out. And this is just one of my cars. I can't wait till I get to work on the other 7 projects I have. Ugh. So anyways, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be updating daily on Instagram. And you know, I'll see you guys next week.
Perfect.